What up? It's Will Vitela, home tech expert, over at a job site in Whittier, California, working for a wonderful family, taking care of a problem that many families deal with, and that is the TV being installed way too high over the fireplace, absolutely hurting your neck. But wait, home tech expert has a solution. That's me using my home tech expert magic. My customization abilities have me come out and customize the solution for you. Have me drop down that TV to eye level. As you can see with the motor, you could turn it to the left, you could turn it to the right, and have it face the couch even though the couch may be over to the side. Everything from start to finish, from the wiring, the drilling, the drywall repair work, the sanding, the texturing, the whole thing, having it customized, done professionally is what we do at Home Tech Expert. If you want to get something done like this professionally, go to hometechexpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate.